I'm back for another product review. I'm reviewing another household product that you might like and you might want to get. So definitely, if you find this video informative and you want to get this product, I've got the link below in the description. Let's get into it. Hey, today we are reviewing the wireless gaming speaker. It's Bluetooth, rechargeable lithium battery, dual left and right speakers. This product I picked up at 5Below. I think it was about $10 here. Wireless gaming speaker. So let's see on the back what it says here. On the back, as you can see, it says is a lighting 8-color light changing LED, battery capacity 1200 mAh. Playtime is about 3 hours. Different environmental conditions will affect playtime duration. Charging time 3 hours. Speaker output 3 watts. Includes the micro USB cable, the dimensions. Features a sleek shape and design, dual left right speakers, multicolor changing lights. So basically, this is like a wireless Bluetooth speaker that you can use on your computer. You can actually use it probably for anything. It's because it's Bluetooth. So let's unbox this thing and see what's in it. Let's open this baby up. All right, inside the box here, we have, of course, the instructions here. And it's always good to keep this, but as you know, we don't read instructions. Now let's open this baby up. Inside here, oh yeah, you have the actual speaker there. There it is. Yeah, on the back you have your off and on button. Also, it looks like you could turn the lights off. So if you just want the sound without the lights, you can turn that on. Right up top here, you got the power button, the fast forward and rewind button if you're changing tracks, I guess. And you can turn the volume up and down right here. Let's move this out the way. Also, one other thing. Also inside of it, you have a micro USB cable here. Yep, the USB cable goes right on the back right here. Yep, plugs right at 5-volt. USB cable goes there, then you can just use that to plug it to your computer or any USB adapter that you have. I think it probably has a little power on. Let's hit the power button right here and see what we got. Oh, there we go. We got the power button on right there. You see, you guys, as you can see how it's changing colors right on the spot. Blue, it was red originally, so it changed color as it beat. So what I'm going to do, you guys, see how it changed the color? And also, you can turn the lights off. I'm going to do something special for you guys. Let me set the speakers down right here. Actually, make it a little better for you guys. I'm going to sit this right here. Alright, you guys, if you can see, I'm going to set you up right here in the corner of my computer real quick. As you guys can see, basically you hold the power button down for a couple seconds, and my computer actually has where is that? Where is it? My computer actually has Bluetooth built into it. Oh, my computer actually has Bluetooth built into the computer right here. I got the night light off. Oh, there's a I did have the night light on. So here you go. You say there's my Bluetooth on, and right now you see it's looking. So we're gonna go to settings of my Bluetooth, and as you can see, right now it's looking for the device. I don't see it on here now. So here it is. Gaming speaker is paired. So as you can see right now, it's called a gaming speaker right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little music on for you guys now. Already know this is James. As you can hear, back for another speakers on right now. Video. That's right. I got my little girl. Show you the buttons on top. It's weather's been crazy. Hit this button. It's a little chilly out here, but let's get into it. You can turn it down. Y'all see the towel up there? Turn it back up. That's what we got. Let's do this unboxing. This gets pretty loud too. The articulating dual monitor desk stand. Let me play some music for you so you can see how the lights change. This right here, you want to set up a dual monitor, you know, like you're a gamer or something, or you do stocks and trades. You can put 2 monitors here, set them up real nice. As you guys can see, this thing gets pretty loud. And right now, I have the speaker sitting over here, and the computer is there. So we're looking at about 15 feet. I'm about 15 feet away from the computer, 12 to 15 feet right now. See, this thing is there. This is all right. Carry it around. You can pair it with your phone. And probably about, let me see the measurements on here so I can tell you exactly. Maybe about 12 inches, I guess. About, yeah, 11.8. 12, almost 12 inches across. That's how wide it is. So this is great. You can sit it everywhere if you want to. You can actually take it. You know, you can mount it on the wall. So if you got a nice little game setup, you can put it on top. So this is a real nice little speaker, you guys. Cop this up from 5Below. You know, it's wireless gaming speaker, Bluetooth, color changing, and also they have a code. Okay, here you go. If you don't have a 5Below where you're located, there's the barcode right there. If you can see the barcode, I'll try to get it in there. There's the barcode right there. So get the barcode, check it out. Wireless gaming speaker. This is another review of a nice little product. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick review of the wireless gaming speaker. You know, I always want to help you guys out. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out all my other videos. I'm going to see you guys on the next review.